Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pashmeen. Today I will be sharing with you about the crystals that help you get money, wealth, abundance and prosperity into your lives. Now, before I get started, I would like to share one more thing about how these crystals work. Now guys, every crystal has its own energy, its own frequency. The crystals which I will be talking about right now are the ones which emit the vibe of money and wealth. You can store these crystals in your cash box, in your wallet, or you can keep them in your bedroom. Be around them, keep those crystals around you, or even at your office place. And I hope these crystals will help you get the career and the money growth which you have been waiting for. So let's get started. The first stone is the citrine stone. I have it in the tumble stone shape and the citrine cluster with me. Now clusters have got a very raw energy, so I personally like to keep the clusters of citrine at home. Now they are popularly known as the merchant stone, the trader stone, also commonly known as the money stone. It's a money magnet, guys. It's a very positive stone. It's a very lucky stone for business, for attracting wealth, money into your life. This crystal is going to give you a lot of positivity. Okay, so you can keep these crystals in your bedroom. They are such cheerful crystals that they are going to make you feel so happy, so bright about your work. The most important thing these crystals do is that they help you lessen down on your expenditure. So whenever you feel the soft vibrations of these crystals around you, you will find yourself filled with more wisdom and patience before spending money, so which automatically helps you in saving plenty of cash for yourself. You can keep these crystals in your wallet, in your cash box. Make sure your note or your coins touch the crystals so that they absorb the vibrations these crystals have got to offer. One very special thing about this crystal is, guys, that it never radiates negative energy. So even if there is some negative energy around these crystals, it is simply going to trap them and convert them into positive energy and emit only positivity. So it's a beautiful stone, guys. Extremely pretty to look at, very lucky in business and in attracting money and wealth. The second crystal is the fossil known as the Orthoceros fossil. It is very pretty, very rare to look at. It stands out from the rest of the crystals. Now, guys, this is not exactly a healing crystal, it's a fossil. It is very different, and the way it works is extremely different from the rest of the healing crystals. The most important use of having this fossil is that it is going to give you that recognition, that name and fame at your workplace. Now, a lot of you might think that you're working so much at your workplace, you're putting in so much efforts, but your bosses simply, they fail to look at what you bring to the table. Your work simply gets unnoticed. So this fossil is going to give you that name and fame at your workplace. And one very important thing is that it helps you get rid of any karmic back that you are facing. As we all know that we all have our karmas, good and bad. So the bad karmas might act as blockage between you and the success. So what this fossil does, it helps you get rid of all the bad karmas. It helps to get rid of all the blockage that stands between you and the success. It's a beautiful fossil, guys. It is slow at working for you. It is not going to give you result right away, but slowly and steadily you will feel that it's a very, very useful fossil to keep. Also, it helps you get back your trapped money. So get hold of this fossil, guys. It's a bliss having this fossil around. The third crystal is the pyrite. This is how it looks like. It is popularly known as the fool's gold because somehow it has the appearance of a gold. And this stone is believed to control your solar plexus. So what this crystal does is that it gives you that power, that confidence, that guts required to take steps at your workplace. Now this is slightly expensive, but it definitely blesses you with a lot of abundance and success. So it is worth keeping at your workplace. The fourth stone is green adventurine. Now I have this in the bracelet form and a very tiny but a cute Ganesha. Now I believe that it has got me a lot of abundance into my life. So green adventurine is known as the stone of opportunity, guys. So a lot of opportunities are going to knock at your door if you get hold of this crystal. It's a very lucky stone, very popular among the traders. The travelers use it for trading. Also extremely popular among the gamblers. So the ones who are looking to win a lot of money at gambling, and the ones who are into lotteries, please catch hold of this crystal, because it is believed to convert the stroke of bad luck into a good one. Also, it is believed to improve focus and concentration at your work. Extremely beautiful to look at, extremely soothing. It has a very calming effect, guys, and it's a very, very beautiful crystal. So get hold of this. The fifth stone is the clear quartz. This is how it looks like. Now guys, clear quartz is not exactly related to money and wealth, but the reason I keep it beside my other money making crystal is because clear quartz is known as the stone of manifestation. So what it does is it manifests the intentions put inside the other crystals. It simply quickens the manifestation procedure, also known as the master cleanser crystal, guys. It never lets negativity get trapped inside it. So it is said to cleanse itself, and it also helps the other crystals get rid of any negativity they have trapped inside. So what it does, it makes your manifestation very clear, very pure. Another use of having these crystals around your money making stones is that it is going to give you that clarity, that vision that you require. So let's say if you are very confused, you are not able to make correct decisions at your business, at your work, this crystal is going to bless you with abundance, clarity, and good vision. Okay, it is going to help you get rid of any doubts you have, and it is simply going to quicken the money manifestation procedure. It's a beautiful thing, guys. I love to keep my clear quartz around the crystals I have set intentions for, so you can try the same. Now, one very important tip which I want to share is that if you have these money making crystals kept together, what you can do is you can keep a note of preferably higher denomination with your crystals. So I do it because I believe that it is simply going to double my earnings. It is simply going to double my success. So the higher the denomination, the higher the success. This is what I believe in. So try keeping a higher denomination value note around your money making crystals to let your work quicken. That's all, guys. I hope you have found my video helpful. If you have liked it, please do subscribe me and comment if you want to know anything about the money making crystals. I'll be happy to help. Thank you, guys.